Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given 2 points, point A and point B, and we are supposed to find the coordinates of point C such that AC equals to BC, and there is a very important information here. Point C is on the x-axis. What does this mean? This means that on the x-axis, which I'm going to just draw on here, where is the x-axis? X-axis is here. Okay, and if I were to just draw quickly the y-axis, point C lies on the x-axis, and any point on the x-axis, the y coordinate is equal to 0. This is a very important clue. This means that we could, for a start, let P0 be the coordinates of point C. Okay, once we have established this, then we could apply what we have by using this information now. AC equals to BC. That means I will have to make use of the formula that we are seeing at the top. So for point A and C, for convenience sake, I'm going to just write it down here. A is 3, 4. C is P0, so that I could have my x1, y1, x2, y2, and when I substitute into the formula, I will get my AC. Same goes for B and C, point B and point C for the length BC. So that will be what you are going to see here, where I have my P minus 3 square plus 0 minus 4, all positive value, so I did not put a bracket. So on the other end, my point B is negative 3, 2. Again, I have my C. So if I were to apply the formula again, then this is what you will see. Again, I will have P minus, this is a negative value, so I put a bracket, plus 0 minus 2. And we just have to solve this equation here. Okay, so I'm going to just square both sides, and once I square both sides, you would then see that the square root is gone. I only left with P minus 3 bracket square plus 0 minus 4 bracket square is 16. I will have P plus 3 bracket square plus 0 minus 2 bracket square is 4. At this point, I would expand and simplify the brackets. So this one will give me P square minus 2 times P times 3 plus 3 square. If I make use of the special algebraic product, I apply the same algebraic product for this, I would have P square plus 2 times p times 3 plus 3 square. I have my plus 4 there. So as I continue to simplify, I would slowly but surely get closer and closer to my final answer. Yeah? So I will have p square plus 6, it should be minus 6p plus 9 plus 16 equals to p square plus 6p plus 9 plus 4. Continue to simplify them. Alright? 25 equals to p square plus 6p plus 13. And I'm going to minus p square on both sides, so that you will have this. I would also going to minus 6p on both sides and minus 13 on both sides, and let's see what we have. Okay, so the next thing would be p square minus p square 0, negative 6p minus 6p, that will give me negative 12p. 25 minus 13, that will give me a positive 12 equals to 0, and I'm continue to solve for it. I will have negative 12p equals to, going to minus 12 on both sides, so that will give me going to minus 12, so that I will have negative 12 here. And finally, the final answer for p would involve me dividing by negative 12 on both sides, so that I will get the value of p equals to 1, and therefore the coordinates of c for this particular question, c will be 1, 0. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.